Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to downgrade the PS4 from 1250 to 9.0. So let's get started. First, make sure your PS4 is connected to the network and double check your system version. Now on your PC, open the downgrade menu. Once you're there, you'll see the Start Downgrade option. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll need to enable the downgrade host on your PS4. To do that, open the internet browser on your PS4, head over to the given link, and once it loads, scroll down until you see the PS4 host menu enabler. Click on Enable and it will activate on your PS4 while also giving you the PS4 addresses. Now, back on your PC, type in those addresses, then click Go to Downgrade menu. There, you'll see the downgrade option. Click it and it will take you straight to the downgrade exploit. Once you're in, hit the start button and the downgrading process will begin. Just wait a bit. And as you can see, the downgrade has completed successfully. Now, simply restart your PS4 and you'll be on version 9.0. From here, you're ready to jailbreak your system. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. This is the place.
Yeah.